Hi. Welcome to my short video on air conditioner repair. http://sacrepair.com connects you with Alexander Service, one of the leading HVAC services provider in San Antonio, Texas. Our services include HVAC repair and maintenance, air conditioner repair and maintenance, energy-saving thermostats, AC and heating system zoning. We offer sales, service, and installation for all makes and models, and guarantee 100% customer satisfaction. Contact us today for all your HVAC installation, maintenance and repairs needs.